Carencro homeowners enjoy a warm and inviting community where comfort and style go hand in hand. One of the most effective ways to transform your home's atmosphere and overall appeal is by improving the amount of natural light indoors. While many people think of window replacement as a way to reduce drafts or lower energy bills, professional window installation also has a significant impact on how much sunlight your home receives. More natural light doesn't just brighten rooms, it creates a healthier, more welcoming living space for your family. The value of natural light in your home's sunlight is more than a decorative feature. It's a vital part of a home's comfort and function. Boosts mood and productivity. Sunlit rooms feel cheerful and energizing, making them ideal for work, study, or relaxation. Creates visual space. Light-filled rooms appear larger and more open, improving your home's layout without the need for renovations. Reduces reliance on artificial lighting. More daylight means less need for lamps and overhead lights, lowering your energy usage. In a welcoming community like Carencro, maximizing natural light not only enhances daily living but also improves your home's long-term appeal. How proper window installation makes a difference. Installing new windows isn't just about swapping old ones for new glass. Proper window installation techniques maximize the way natural light enters your home. Optimized placement and sizing. Professional installers help ensure windows are positioned and sized to capture the most light possible. Modern frame designs. Slimmer frames allow for more glass area, letting more sunlight flow into your rooms. Advanced glass options. Today's energy-efficient glass keeps harmful UV rays out while letting in plenty of natural light. When installed correctly, new windows turn dark, shadowy rooms into bright and inviting spaces. Enhancing comfort without the heat. In Carencro's climate, homeowners sometimes hesitate to increase natural light because of the risk of added heat. Fortunately, modern windows solve this problem. Low-E coatings reflect heat while allowing sunlight to enter, keeping rooms bright without making them hotter. Double pane or triple pane glass insulates your home, ensuring sunlight doesn't translate into higher cooling costs. Tinted or UV filter glass protects furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading while maintaining brightness. This balance allows you to enjoy the benefits of natural light without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Benefits beyond brightness. Adding more daylight to your Carencro home comes with a range of additional advantages. Improved resale value. Buyers are drawn to bright, airy spaces with abundant natural light. Healthier living environment. Natural light helps regulate sleep cycles and reduces the need for harsh artificial lighting. Better aesthetics. Sunlight highlights your home's colors, textures, and decor, giving every room a polished, welcoming feel. These benefits make window installation not just a functional upgrade, but a lifestyle improvement as well. Tailoring window installation to your Carencro home. Every home in Carencro is unique, and so are its lighting needs. Professional installers can recommend solutions such as picture windows for wide, unobstructed views, bay or bow windows to create depth and allow sunlight from multiple angles, casement or double-hung windows that bring in both light and fresh air, custom window shapes to highlight architectural features while brightening interiors. By choosing the right style and placement, you can achieve the perfect balance of natural light and efficiency. Final thoughts. For Carencro homeowners, window installation is more than just an upgrade, it's an opportunity to enhance natural light and transform your living spaces. With modern designs and professional installation, you can enjoy brighter, more inviting rooms that improve comfort, highlight decor, and even lower energy costs. If your home feels darker than you'd like, or your current windows aren't living up to their potential, consider upgrading to windows designed to maximize natural light. A brighter, more comfortable Carencro home is just a window installation away.